Hi everyone, Beck Smith here, the DIY Marketing Trailblazer. And today I want to pose a question. Do you have a digital marketing strategy for your business? And do you need one? To answer this question, you need to consider, are your customers and potential target customers researching or shopping online currently for your product or service category? If they do, then you definitely need a digital marketing strategy as soon as possible. But even if they don't, you need to consider, is there an opportunity to get your business in front of your target customers while they are online? Most people are online daily across all segments of the population. So you really need to think about how you can catch their attention and make sure that your business is top of mind next time they're looking for your product or service category. If you don't, your competitors probably will. So in a nutshell, virtually every business should have a digital marketing plan, but it doesn't have to be super complex. Depending on where your business is at, it could be as simple as a 1 or 2 page priority list, setting out a few key objectives for your online efforts and corresponding action plans to get you there. Remember to be specific on time frames and performance targets. How many of you fall into the trap of watching endless webinars about all the latest and greatest digital marketing breakthroughs, covering every topic from copywriting to SEO to email marketing? You'll know that one webinar always leads to 5 others. The only thing you'll end up learning is that you have so much more to learn. You'll get bite-sized pieces of information on many topics, so much so that your head will be spinning. You may even start down the path of various digital marketing projects, but complete none or find you achieve very little in the way of results. This happens because you haven't established a clear plan and objectives to start with. If you don't know where you're going, how can you expect to get there? My recommendation is to start really simple and ensure you have achieved one objective first before moving on to a more complicated or sophisticated digital marketing project. Do one thing really well rather than lots of things poorly. In most cases, your website should be the starting point. Ensure it's representing your business in the best possible light. It should have user-friendly functionality and a logical content layout. Your website should be a key source of business leads, so make sure it's really easy for your visitors to your website to get in touch with you. Set up a click to call, a click to email, and a click to visit your Facebook page icon on your mobile site. Also, consider a messenger bot so you're always available to answer any potential customers' questions and to convert them into a lead. So, start drafting your digital marketing plan today or get in touch with me at goldkeymarketing.com.au if you need some help. Take care and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.